What's good, guys? It's your boy Enrico the Barber, and today we are back with yet another video. So guys, I'm sure you can see in today's title, super easy, super simple. It's one of the basic tutorials, but what makes this one really special is this is a really good client of mine. I've been cutting his hair for years now, and basically this is our last haircut together. The Lano move, well, he moved to London, and that was basically the last time I cut his hair. That was about 2 weeks ago now. Yeah, around about 2 weeks. And yeah, that's not the last time we see each other, like forever. I did tell him that I will come to London one day and visit him, and when I do come, I'm definitely gonna come with my tools and give him that South African touch. But nonetheless, for the time being, I'm sure you'll find a good barber in London. If you are a barber in London and you do watch my videos, definitely let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely forward your IG handle to Mr. Delano. But nonetheless, guys, if you are new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. Most importantly, leave a like, and you already know to leave a comment and let me know what you think about the content. Without further ado, let's go ahead, let's jump straight into today's tutorial. Like I said, mid-skin fade, use a little bit of enhancements on his lineup, and yeah, let me know what you think about the cut. It's your boy Enrico the Barber. Let's go. Straight into today's tutorial. As you can see, we are doing a mid-skin fade, and I will be walking you guys through today's tutorial step by step. So first off, as you can see, we are gonna start off by combing our client's hair out. We wanna make sure that we have a nice and neat canvas to work on. So first off, using my SAFEWAY cordless clipper, no guard, lever closed. As you can see, I am setting in my first guideline in line with my client's eyebrow, and I'm going to make sure that my guideline is even and consistent on both sides as well as the back. So next up, what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to grab our WAHL detailer, and we are going to hold out the bottom section over there. So guys, last week I actually got a new detailer, so I recorded this video about 2 weeks ago. So yeah, I haven't recorded a new tutorial using my detailer or my cordless detailer, but you guys will definitely be seeing it in the next tutorial. Next off, still using our SAFEWAY cordless clipper. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is no guard, lever open. We're going to set in a guideline of about 1/2 inch, and like I said guys, with the previous guideline, we're going to make sure that all our guidelines are even and consistent on both sides as well as the back. And you'll notice that I do go over each section quite a few times just to make sure that I do get the length nice and even. So now what we're going to start doing is we're going to slowly adjust our lever until we're back onto our lever being closed entirely. Still using a flick motion, we're going to be working on that line over there. As you can see, I slightly adjusted my lever once again. And there, I adjusted my lever once again. And you continuously do this until your lever is entirely closed, and you will follow the exact same steps at the back as well as the other side. And guys, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Definitely leave a like, and most importantly, let me know what you think about the tutorials. So now next off, still using our SAFEWAY cordless clipper with our number 1 guard lever closed, what we are gonna go ahead and do right here is we're gonna basically be shortening the top, well, the top area of hair that we left. We're gonna make sure that we go over every part or every section of the head quite a few times just to make sure that we do get the length nice and even, and we're gonna make sure that we are cutting against the grain at all times. So now using our SAFEWAY cordless clipper, no guard lever open, we will be using a flick motion, and we'll be focusing on softening that guideline up over there. As you can see, there is a bit of a harsh line, but with us using our flick motion, we're gonna go ahead and soften it up in no time. And you will notice that if there isn't much hair coming off, what you will go ahead and do is you'll have to adjust your lever slightly just to get rid of any inconsistencies, and to just make sure that you get the nicest or the cleanest blend possible. And like I said, you follow the exact same steps at the back as well as the other side. So guys, this is my client Delano. I've been cutting his hair for years now. This is actually the last time that I cut his hair. He is moving to London. Well, not for it, it won't be the last time. The next time I cut his hair, I did tell him I will be cutting his hair in London. So we will be going to and visit him, hopefully sometime soon, but we're definitely gonna make it happen. So now next off, what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna focus on our client's lineup. So using our WAHL detailer, we're gonna start off in the center and either move to the left or the right, depends on what you're comfortable with. So guys, right here, I'm gonna just sit back and I'm gonna allow this lineup to bring the entire haircut to life. Now next up, now that we are done using our detailers, we're gonna go ahead and grab our spray bottle. We're gonna apply some water to our client's forehead so that it is moisturized when we do come through with our straight razor. And we're gonna finish this lineup off by cleaning our client up using a blade. Now just for the final touch, we're gonna go ahead and add just a little bit of hair fibers. You know, we just want to add a little bit of enhancement just to make that lineup pop just a little bit more. And as you can see, it's already looking nice and crisp. Coming back with our detailers just to make sure we get it cleaned up, have nice and straight lines. And ultimately, to finish off, we'll come back with our straight razor. And guys, this is Mr. Delano before we got the haircut in. And guys, this is Mr. Delano as soon as we're done with the cut. And if you are new to the channel, most definitely hit that like button. Most importantly, hit that subscribe and definitely leave a comment. Guys, it is your boy Enrico the Barber. Until the next video, peace. Remember, the next time that we cut Delano, we need to cut his hair in London. Until the next video, peace.